Cheers. I just got my new Monopoly from the delivery company yesterday, and we are opening it with my sister. And in my Nigerian t-shirt, this is a special Monopoly, the FIFA 2018 World Cup Monopoly. Had to pay extra like $5 or $6 for delivery to my hometown. Very careful actually. It's a special one. Can't get it in any of the shops in my hometown. So it's got 2 layers. It's very nice. It's a completely new one. Untouched. Okay, this one is like a bag. So I don't have to rip it actually. So, why am I making this in my Nigerian t-shirt? Is because the previous one I bought for my trip to Nigeria, and I left it in Nigeria for my friends. So, now this is a new one. I will take it to my next trip. Don't know where yet. But this is popular stuff, popular game. Helps to make friends. That's it. It's all red, except of course the white letters. This is in Moscow. It says dual language. The FIFA World Cup 2018, and bigger, even bigger here. 8+ players. So a big gang of people can play. It looks like this inside. So we will open it now and see it. Well, the ball is fancy. Look at this fancy ball. Okay, one corner is a little bit ripped already. So it's a good place to start. Yeah, it's in a very good condition. You can see it looks quite nice. There is just little bit this in the corner, like folding, and a little fold here, but that's not the actual part that you play with. And somewhere I remember it was saying somewhere that this is the original one. Well, it's got the whole this qualities thing here. Yeah, this is Hasbro. This is original one. It's not a ripoff. It's Hasbro is doing this. Made in Ireland. It should be saying. I remember it was saying made in Ireland. Well, people are playing this since 1935. Right here, made in Ireland. So this is European quality. That's what you get. This is the rules in English. Separate sets in English and in Russian. The cards. So they're nicely packed. It's got a golden ribbon, and this is the most precious part, the actual board. I so knew it didn't want to unfold. That's it. Let's start with the go. So that's the go, and then you have countries instead of streets on a regular Monopoly. You got the red card and the yellow card instead of your regular taxes. Then more countries. This is still a jail. These are and here we have cities instead of train stations. Moscow, St. Petersburg, Sochi, and Samara. And all these countries are the countries that were participating in the 2018 FIFA World Cup in Russia. So again, Nigeria. It was fun playing in Nigeria, having a Nigeria on this board. Jail is still jail though. And so here is the most expensive countries are the ones that were likely to win the World Cup. Argentina, Portugal, Brazil, Germany, and Russia is the most expensive one. I guess it's because it was in Russia. And here we have full times and half times to pick up. The cards go here. Right here, half time, and full time is supposed to be right in there. The cards look pretty much the same, and that is my brand new 2018 World Cup in Russia Monopoly. Really wanted this, and I got it. Thank you.